Hey plant fam, have you ever wondered if your precious leafy babies prefer a nice spa day with warm water, a cold plunge, or a boring room temperature drink? Well, today we're throwing science and a little chaos at our plants and explain what happens when you water them with the wrong temperature. Let's do this. This is Chilly Willy. Now, Chilly Willy gets hit with dramatic ice cube water. Cold water can shock roots, slow growth, and reduce nutrient uptake, basically make your plant scream internally. This is Toasty. Toasty gets hot water from my kettle. I'm not that cruel, or maybe I am. Hot water, what it does, it can straight up cook the roots of your plants. Ever made boiled lettuce? Otherwise, if the roots don't cook and the hot water is hot to the touch, what it does, it reduces the amount of oxygen in the water, so less oxygen intake for your plants. Also, the plant has less ability to uptake nutrients. This is Goldilocks. Goldilocks gets room temperature water, and you'll be correct to say that room temperature water is the best temperature for plants. No drama, right? There's only one thing. Everybody lives in different parts of the world, so room temperature difference between the location and the season. This is where scientists have stepped in. The ideal watering temperature for plants is between 60 to 70 Fahrenheit, which is approximately 16 to 21 degrees. The perfect temperature is 65 Fahrenheit, which is 18.5 degrees. Each of these lucky contestants either got pampered or tortured with the water temperature. So what's the verdict? Unless your plant is training for the polar plunge or preparing for house sauna, stick with room temperature water. Now you're wondering how to get the perfect water temperature without using a thermometer. In summer, fill your watering can and leave it in the room overnight so the water becomes room temperature. The added bonus is leaving the water out before watering will get rid of some of the nasty chemicals in the tap water. My best tip is to adjust the water temperature so that it feels slightly cool to the touch but not cold. It's perfect for your plants. The other important thing is maintaining consistent water temperature will help maintain a stable environment for your plant roots. Disclaimer: no plants were intentionally harmed in the making of this video. Sadly, Toasty did not make it. We remember her as full of potential and chlorophyll. Smash that like button if you love plants. Drop a comment telling the weirdest thing you've ever watered a plant. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant chaos and plant puns. If you'd like to support the channel, you can either join the membership in the channel or buy this coloring book called the Crazy Plant Lover Coloring Book, co-produced by your very own crazy plant lady, me. Thanks for watching the video and appreciate your support. If you want to know how to prune a jade plant, watch this next video here. See you there.